Hello, what's up art lovers? In this video I'll be unboxing and swatching Camlin Artist Brush Pens. This set consists of pigment based ink waterproof UV resistant 12 shades pens. This set has a beautiful packaging, okay, and this is my first experience with this product. So in the back side of this set there is an information about these pens. They say that it is pigment based ink, UV resistant, waterproof ink, permanent, acid free, light fast color, soft and flexible tape, all those things. And they have showed what sort of 12 shades are present in this set, okay. And they say that they are designed with a flexible tip for the perfect thick and thin strokes which give the effect of a brush. Permanency of the ink adds as an advantage, making sketching, calligraphy, illustrations and lot more, they have written. So let me open this beautiful kit, and here it goes. I just love the packaging. Let me open this. Look at that, 12 shades. Awesome! I'm so excited to use this product. So here they have given an example how you can use these pens, okay. So I'm going to swatch in the same manner onto a simple drawing book. I'm going to get started. So see, here is the tip which they say. I hope you can see it properly. I'm not sure. Okay, let me start with the black color. So I'm referring to the template which they gave in the kit. So here it goes. Look at that. These can be great for, to do greeting cards and some craft work kind of thing. And I'm sure it is good for calligraphy too. Here goes the burnt umber. Awesome. So this is my first experience, as I said, so my hands are really trembling. And this is burnt sienna. So next I'm swatching this Prussian blue. Wow. Awesome. And here it goes, sky blue. I'm loving all the colors over here. And this is viridian hue. Okay. Love it once again. Now this is sap green. Look at that. I am struggling to get thick and thin strokes as I am very new to this. Okay. So next color is magenta. Let's see. Wow. Awesome. Very nice color. I'm sure that the people who use brush pens, they are gonna love this. And next is crimson. Crimson looks much like orange. I don't know why. And here, this is permanent orange. That's what they gave a name. Okay. Followed by Indian yellow. Whoa. much bit similar to the orange but lighter in shade. Okay, and the last one is lemon yellow. Cool, this is nice. So here are the swatches of all 12 shades of Camlin Artist Brush Pens. So I tried to replicate these designs which were there in the kit. I couldn't match that exact thing, but yes, if you are going to do some craft works or calligraphy or illustrations, I think you should go for this. Okay, no matter, even that crimson is looking like a bit of dark orange, not a problem. It gives some kind of shade, different shade. That's what. So I'm just loving this, and I can't wait to create a beautiful artwork with these brush pens. Thank you for watching. If you're new to the channel, kindly subscribe to my channel. Also like my Facebook and follow my Instagram page. Art Hugs and Peace. Namaste.